यमुना गंगा केदार बद्रीश्वराय नमः. Chardham Yatra 2021 is giving an excellent opportunity to those who have missed the slot booking for darshan. For pilgrims in critical jobs and businesses, Royal Tripmakers Heli Tour Package is a blessing. Our crew and staff operating the world-class helicopter Bell 407 and V3H125 are certified by FAA USA. We ensure you of a safe and secure ride. Yatris have two options. Chardham Yatra with duration of 2 nights and 3 days, and the second one being Do Dham Yatra with a duration of 1 day, where the Yatris will start and end their trip on the same day after covering the 2 darshans of Badrinath and Kedar. The main highlight of the tour, which makes it a bestseller, are VIP darshan and special puja at all the dhams, comfortable stay and hygienic sattvic meals, guided tour by our guides and information handlers at each location for your assistance, boarding and check-ins. Yatra itinerary will be as follows. On the day of arrival, after your pickup, our representative will help you checking in at Hotel Lemon Tree. Enjoy your stay and meals for the day 1. Just relax and acclimatize. On day 2, we are going to have darshan of Yamunotri Dham and Gangotri Dham. Starting early morning from our hotel, our representative will take you to Sahasradhara helipad, from where you will take our chopper waiting to take you to Kharsali helipad near Yamunotri. Kharsali helipad is 6 km from Yamunotri temple. Our representative at Kharsali helipad will be waiting with a pre-booked palaki and VIP darshan passes. This will complete your Yamunotri darshan with minimal exertion. Once you are back from Yamunotri and reach Kharsali, our representative will help you board your next chopper for Gangotri Dham. We will fly from Kharsali helipad at around 1 p.m. for 30 minutes to reach Harsil helipad near Gangotri. After reaching, you can check in at the hotel and have your lunch. Once you finish your lunch, you can leave for Gangotri Dham in a luxury cab. The distance between the hotel and Gangotri Dham is 20 km and it will take around 1 hour to reach. Enjoy the beautiful Gangotri temple and pristine nature along the starting phase of Ganga Maiya. After you return, enjoy the stay and dinner at the resort. Day 3. Today will be the last day of the Divine Yatra. We will be visiting Kedarnath Dham and Badrinath Dham, the 2 most important and revered dhams of the Chardham Yatra. By leaving at 7 a.m. from Harsil helipad, we will reach Sirsi or Fata helipad in 30 minutes. Once we reach Sirsi, we will board another chopper which will provide a shuttle service to Kedarnath. This shuttle service will take around 10 minutes to reach the divine Kedarnath. After darshan of Lord Kedarnath with VIP passes, fly to Badrinath helipad, which is again 25 to 30 minutes away from the Kedarnath helipad. On arrival at Badrinath, our representative will take you to have your lunch at Sarovar Portico in Badrinath. We will head for VIP darshan of Badri Vishal, and now after the darshan The final leg of your tour will be to return to Dehradun helipad with cherishable memories and